To place a CS2 PrizePicks bet, start by understanding what CS2 PrizePicks is. CS2 PrizePicks is a fantasy sports platform that allows users to bet on the performance of players in various sports, including the popular game Counter-Strike 2. First, create an account on the PrizePicks website or download the mobile app. Once you have an account, navigate to the CS2 section and select the upcoming match you want to bet on. Choose the players you want to include in your entry, and select the stat categories for each player, such as kills or assists. Next, set the over or under targets for each player and stat category. For example, you can choose over 20 kills for a specific player. The payout for your entry will be determined by the number of players and stat categories you include, as well as the targets you set. After setting your targets, review your entry to ensure everything is correct. Check the payout amount and the risk level of your entry. If everything looks good, submit your entry and wait for the match to start. It is essential to stay up to date with the latest CS2 news and updates to make informed betting decisions. Keep track of player performances, team strategies, and any other factors that could impact the outcome of the match. To increase your chances of winning, start with low-risk entries and gradually increase the risk level as you gain more experience. It is also crucial to set a budget and stick to it to avoid overspending. By following these steps and tips, you can successfully place a CS2 PrizePicks bet and enjoy the excitement of fantasy sports betting. Remember to always bet responsibly and within your means.